Hey guys, Stephen Poole here with Stephen Poole Music. Got another cool song for you by Chris Stapleton. This song's called Parachute. We do this song in the key of E minor, and it goes to a G, to a D, to a C. Okay? Practice that, come back, and sing along with us. Here we go. Streetlights along the highway, throwing shadows in the dark, and the memories keep on turning to the rhythm of a broken heart. You and you was raining, you and you fire was cold, you and you drank when the whiskey is the only thing that you have left to hold. Sun comes up and goes back down, falling through like blind till you hit the ground. Say the word and I'll be there for you. Baby, I will be your parachute. Song that I remember that I never learned to play, and a lifetime of forgotten words that I never got to say. You only need a rule when it's raining, you only need a fire when it's cold, you only need a drink when the whiskey is the only thing that you have left to hold. Sun comes up and goes back down, falling feels like blind till you hit the ground. Say the word and I'll be there for you. Baby, I will be your parachute. Parachute. You think you're going down, just know that I will be around. You only need a roof when it's raining, you only need a fire when it's cold, you only need a drink when the whiskey is the only thing that you have left to hold. Sun comes up and goes back down, falling feels like blind till you hit the ground. Say the word and I'll be there for you. Baby, I will be yours. Baby, I will be your parachute. Parachute. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.